Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add channel calendar in Teams. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Microsoft Teams and you simply need to select your team. Once you select it, you simply need to click on the plus icon and here you need to search for, so let me copy from here, channel calendar. So it will take less time to search. Okay, click on that and here you can see that different options. From here you can read the overview, permissions, and click on add. So it will take few seconds. So now you can see that you are adding a calendar to general channel. All events created and shared to the channel will be added to this calendar, so click on add. So now you can see that it is added to the calendar as well. So this is the easy process by which you can add channel calendar in Teams. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.